Good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we discussing the rate equation about the various types of reactor. First one we already discussed, that is differential or a flow reactor. Then we discussing uh, internal reactor. That means it is a packed bed reactor. Okay, it is a packed bed reactor. Now इंटीग्रल एनालिसिस के बाद हमने द फाइनल इक्वेशन रेट इक्वेशन जो है वो हमने देखा था. सो दैट इज अ w by f is 0 equal to 0 to x integrating from dx by minus r a dash. Okay, so differential analysis क्या होगा? It is used in most complicated solution. You have to remember that. ये कहाँ पे यूज होता है? This differential equation is used for most complicated situations. In other words, when a rate expression are complicated. Okay, so where differentiating this equation 6.7 उसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? माइनस आर एस इक्वल टू डी एक्स है अपॉन डी डब्ल्यू, डी एक्स अपॉन डी डब्ल्यू इंटू एफ ए जीरो होगा. डिफरेंशिएशन करना है तो डी एक्स ए का डिफरेंशिएशन एज इट इज एक्स है, और डी डब्ल्यू अपॉन एफ ए जीरो, दैट मीन्स differentiation of w by f is 0. So differentiation is that minus r radius equal to dx upon d of differentiation of fa by x 0, fa 0. Now some stepwise procedure is required for the entire operation, that is take a serious runs in an experimental packed bed reactor with fixed feed CA0. એટલે કે રિએક્ટરની અંદર જે પણ આપણે ફીડ મોકલીએ છીએ એની કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન શુડ બી રિમેન CA0 ઓનલી. there is a no change. ઓકે, સો આના અંદર જે રિએક્ટરની અંદર જે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન છે એ શું રહેવી જોઈએ? ફિક્સ. પરંતુ વેરીઝ થવી જોઈએ કોની સાથે? W એન્ડ અથવા તો FA0 સાથે. ફીડ અને રેસિડ્યુ સાથે એની જે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન છે એ ચેન્જ થતી રહેવી જોઈએ. પછી plot XA out versus W by FA0 graphs. Then draw a smooth curve passing through the origin. Then after draw a smooth curve which can pass from the origin. Next, rate equation is, it is a clear that the rate of reaction at any value xa is simply the slope of the tangent to the curve. So therefore find the slope of this curve. In other words, rate of reactions is drawing by tangent to the this curve at any number of xa, and the values, and also find the Ca corresponding to each xa. Then define turbulent rate concentration data. Okay, or nth term can find using this equation. Nth order of rate, this one is R dash is equal to K dash into C double dash. By taking logarithm of the rate equation to obtain the rate equation parameter K and N. Rate equation જે છે બરાબર, taking logarithm. Okay, so it is obtained through the rate equation by respect the rate concentration data. Now, next one is mixed flow reactor. A reactor is it should be a mixed flow. Okay, so इसके अंदर the fluid is in the mixed flow. Next is that mixed flow reactor. So mixed flow reactor in which fluid A and fluid B both are in mixing. So in a mixed flow reactor, the compositions of fluid is in uniform throughout. Composition is uniform. That not will be changed from the entire section. Gas solid system. This ideal is closely approached in a basket type mixed flow reactor. જેમ કે કોઈ સોલિડ અને ગેસ આ બંને સિસ્ટમ છે this will be ideal. We this one we consider as a ideally and which is close approach in the basket type. This mixed flow reactor is consistence of basket type. Okay, flow reactor, and it's consistence of four rapidly spinning wire baskets with containing pellets. Okay, so the performance equation for a mixed flow reactor is that W by Fa0 equal to Xa out by Ra dash. Oh, if we rearrange this equation, okay, so it will be a like that. R a dash is equal R dash out equal to Fa0 into Xa out divided by W. Okay, now basket type experimental mixed flow reactor, we can see that in the figure it contains first this one is connected to the shaft બરાબર. So this one is a spinning shaft કે જો જે circulatory form ની અંદર गोल गोल फरे છે बराबर. Here is the fluid in, यहाँ से हमें fluid को in करना है, fluid is in, और यहाँ से fluid क्या होता है out होता है. This one is fluid out. This જે અંદરની જે કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન છે એ શું છે, this one is a 4 wire basket containing catalyst pellets. catalyst ના એક પ્રકારના pellets છે બરાબર, જે 4 wire basket ના ટાઈપમાં છે બરાબર. બીજું next, here uniform mixing થવા માટે this area is containing compositions of uniform બરાબર, uniform compositions. તો હવે each and every point we can see. Okay, so fluid in માટે તો fluid અને એના mole fraction Fa0 Xa in. Okay, mole fraction in, feed in, mole fraction in. Here is the Xa out and Ca out. Okay, then composition uniform જે મટીરિયલ છે એના માટે શું રહેશે Xa out અને Ca out, કારણ કે આ મટીરિયલ આપણને અંદર જ યુનિફોર્મલી બને છે બરાબર, તો જે બને છે એ જ આપણને આઉટ થવાનું છે. ઓકે, સો તો યુનિફોર્મ મટીરિયલ શું રહેવાનું છે તમારું, જે આઉટલેટ થાય છે એ જ. एंड 4 wire basket विच कंटेन कैटलिस्ट का जो वेट है उसे कंसिडर करेंगे हम W. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दिस W by Fa0, W by Fa0 કેટલિસ્ટ અને ફીડ જે ઇનલેટ કરાવી આપણે બરાબર, W by Fa0 કેટલિસ્ટ અને Fa0, તો એના રિસેન્ટલી આપણને શું મળશે, રેટ મળશે એટલે કે રિએક્શન રેટ. સો Xa આઉટ જે એનાથી અંદરથી જે ફ્લુઇડ આઉટ થાય છે બરાબર, ફ્લુઇડ આઉટ થાય છે Xa0, અને Ra આઉટ, રિએક્શન ઓફ રેટ ઓફ રિએક્શન ઓફ Ra out. Now for each run calculate the rate and exit fluid composition Ca out for y the compositions or the concentrations. So turbulate rate concentration data and test directly for and other reactions. So this can take a logarithmic and easily can do and construct the plot log Ra dash versus log Ca. Okay. Next is that recycle reactor. Recycle reactor. When a recycle ratio is very large, recycling process no je ratio છે it is very large. Mixed flow is approached. So એના માટે mixed flow શું કરવામાં આવે છે consider કરવામાં આવે છે. So in a such a cases, the method of the mixed flow reactor direct evaluation of rate for each run can be used. So in many cases, such a cases, method of mixed flow reactor direct evaluation rate of run can be used. So here is the experimental recycle reactor કે જ્યારે મિક્સ ફ્લો હોય ત્યારે એ જે રિએક્ટરનું જે રિસાયકલ છે રેશિયો એ શું હોય છે સૌથી વધારે હોય છે બરાબર. For example, catalyst which is in drum which is goes into the feed. Okay, so directly feed out or recycle will be go down for the using this centrifugal pump goes into the uh, cylinder. Okay, where fluid is inlet here xa in equal to 0 at initial condition and final condition it will be xa out. Now catalyst is w and r is equal to 0. This one is recycle ratio. Now batch reactor for catalytic reaction. If the reaction is catalytic, so figure 6.12 shows experimental batch reactor. Batch reactor આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ ફિગરમાં. It consists of a fluid uniform in compositions. In the mixing chamber, fluid is uniformly composites. Here rate rapid reaction circulation. Rapid reactant circulation. Here is the catalyst pack bed with catalyst, and here is recycle centrifugal pump. This experimental batch reactor used a batch of catalyst and a batch of fluid. In this reactor, we have to measure the compositions of fluid at different times during the course of reaction and interpret the data collected using the performance equation of batch reactor. This experimental reactor used for what? Used as a batch of catalyst and a batch of a fluid. Fluid the reaction છે એટલે કે બેચ ઓપરેશન અને કેટલીક ઓપરેશન માટે યુઝ થાય છે બરાબર રિસાયકલ રિએક્ટર અને બેચ રિએક્ટર. In this reaction we have to measure the compositions of fluid at different times during the course of reactant and interpret the data collected. So performance equation of batch reactor is that T by Ca0 equal to integrating from 0 to xa into dxa by minus Ra is equal to V by W integrating from 0 to xa dxa by Ra. So why we consider V by W? It should be a volume of a gas. So where V is the volume of gas and Ra dash Ra V is equal to Ra dash W. So Ra की जगह पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं Ra की जगह पे हम डाल रहे हैं V by W Ra dash. ठीक है using this equation. Here the procedure is the same at all as that used with homogeneous batch reactor. In order to obtain meaningful result, the compositions of fluid must be uniform throughout the system at any instant of time, and this necessitates a small per pass conversion across the catalyst impaired. Okay, and the mathematical expression can be we can derive in the next lecture. Okay, so performance equation perform